Hey guys, the scripting legend here, and today I am back in Roblox Studios and we are going to begin a new tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how to make your very own game like Superpower Training Simulator. Alright, so open up a new base plate and wait for it to load. Alright, so in today's video we're gonna basically just be doing the leader stats. So go ahead and insert a script into server script service, rename it to leader stats. Alright, delete the world and let's get right into scripting. Let's do game.players. So we're getting to player service, player added event, connect, function, player in between the brackets. Alright, delete the last bracket and drop down a line. You should have this end with a bracket appear. Alright, so now what we're gonna do is do a variable. We're gonna do local stats equals to instance.new folder comma player. So this makes a new folder and the folder will be inside of the player, and we'll do stats.name equals to leader stats. Alright, let's drop down 2 lines. We'll do local we'll do rep equals to instance dot new in no, we'll do number value. So there can be decimals, and we'll do comma stats. Hold on, well, I'm just going to go check how the leader stats look in this game. So just give me a second so we can make it look more like it. Okay, so hold on. Alright, so we'll actually do title equals to instance.new string. We'll do string value. We'll do title, drop down a line, do title dot name, and this you can just call it whatever. I am going to put it to status. Alright, then we'll drop down another 2 lines. We'll do local streak equals to instance dot new int value comma stats. Then we'll do streak dot name equals to kill streak. Okay, streak. Alright, then we'll do yeah, that's all we're gonna do for now. We'll add more stuff to this later, but now we are going to actually do some more stuff, but it will not show. So just go ahead and test this. Make sure you spelled everything right, and it should work fine if you did. Let's wait for it to load, and yeah. Oops, I forgot to set some stuff. We'll do streak dot value is equal to 0, and we'll do status. We'll do title dot value is equal to innocent. Alright, now this should look fine. Okay, you can see my stats status is innocent, and my kill streak is 0. Alright, so everything's working fine, and now let's go back into the leader side script, drop down 2 lines, and we'll do local rep equals to instance.new number value comma player, and we'll do rep dot name equals to reputation, and we will do rep dot value equals to 0. Alright, we will also do here, before we do the local rep, just drop down another 2 lines, and we'll do local, actually no, that's fine how we had it. We'll just do it after rep. Local coins equals to instance.new. Now you can use an int value or a number value, but I am going to just use an int value so we don't get any decimals. And we'll do comma player. Alright, now let's do coins dot name equals to coins, and we will do coins dot value equals to 0. Okay, but we can't actually see what we have, so let's just go into Starter GUI, insert a screen GUI, rename it to leader stat. No, just rename it to player stats, and then we'll insert a frame and just put it to a size of about 0.1, no, 0.2, 0.4, 0, 0.5, 0. Oh no, here, let's do 0.7, 0, 0.6, 0, and 0.5, 0. Alright, that looks nice. Now we're going to go into plugins. Use our Roundify plugin if you have it, just to make it look a little nicer. Alright, and now let's go down in the Roundified Frames plugin. Go to image color and just set that to whatever you want. I'm going to use this nice blue. You can use the same one. It's 158, 255. And now let's give it a nice little shadow. So let's duplicate this, and we will rename it to shadow. Rename it to shadow, and put it inside the frame, and set the size to 1, 0, 1, 0. Alright, and then let's just drag it down a little. Make it a little darker. Go to the frame, set the z-index of the frame to 2, and now you can see we have a nice little shadow on the bottom. So it just makes it look a little nicer and more 3D, more realistic. Okay, so let's insert a text button into the Starter GUI, not into the frame though. And we will just customize it, make it to about 0.1, 0, 0.2, no, 0.1, 0, and let's do actually 0.2, 0, 0.1, 0. That should look good. Yeah. Alright, let's go roundify that and make it a just make it a nice, like, just make it this like teal. So it's 30, 255, 161. And let's set the z-index of the actual text button, not the roundified one, to 3. Set the z-index of the roundified one to 2. And then duplicate and rename that one to, just to button. And then duplicate that and rename it to shadow. And set the z-index of the shadow to 1. And make it darker again, Then just drag it a little more like that. Alright, now we have a little button. Let's just make some customizes to the text. So let's do a sources sans bold, text scale, text color to white, text stroke transparency to 0, and let's make it say stats. Okay. And now let's insert and rename that to open player stats, and let's insert a local script into there, and we will do script.parent.mouse button one click :connect function, drop a line, and we'll do script dot parent dot frame equals to actually not equals to dot visible equals to, let's just copy what we put in front of the equal sign, copy that, and after the equal sign put not, and then paste it in. And then we'll do this: if script dot parent dot frame dot visible equals to true, double equals to true, then script dot parent dot text is equal to close, and then we'll do an else if script dot parent dot frame dot visible is equal to false, then script dot parent dot text is equal to stats. Okay, now let's just make this frame visible to false in its properties, and let's go ahead and just test that out. Okay, so my status is innocent, my kill streak is 0, my stats says stats, click that, says closed, and I have this on my screen. And then if I click close, it changes back to stats and it's off my screen. Alright, let's just go ahead and add in a bubble chat. So while you're still testing, go into the chat service and go to client chat modules and just copy that. Now let's stop, then into the chat service, paste that into there, and let's go to the chat settings, and on line 27, let's put where it says module.bubblechat enabled equals to player service.bubblechat. Let's just erase the player service.bubblechat and let's put it to true. And then the same thing for the line right under it. Just delete what was there and put it to true. Just like that, right here should be how it is. Alright. Okay, so now let's just make the frame visible again, and let's insert a text label. Just make it go across the screen. Make the background transparency to 1, z index to 3, text scale to true, sources sans bold, white text, text transparency 0, and let's make it say stats. Okay, now let's rename this to title. Rename it to title. Okay, and now let's insert another text label, and let's make the z index to 3 as well, and let's put it about here. And actually go back into your title and make the size to 1, 0, 0.1, 0. And then you can actually just change it to 0.2, 0. Yeah, and that's about good. Alright, so now back into the text label that we just added. Change the size to, we'll do 0.2, 0, 0.2, 0. And yeah, that looks horrible. So let's do 0.3. Alright, now we can just change it like this. Alright, let's go into our plugins and we'll just roundify that. Okay, make the image transparency to 0, which it is. It's just we need to set the z index to 3. Okay, now change the text z index to 4, and let's just grab this. Alright, let's place it about here. Rename this to this GUI to this text label to rename it to show coins. Let's actually just make it like up here and just make it shorter a little. Alright, let's make it make it image color to make it to this to yellow. Alright, and let's go back into our text and make a text scale to true. Text equals to coins. Actually, let's rename this to show total coins instead of show coins. Show total coins. Alright, and let's change the text to total coins. And social sans bold. Text color white. Textual transparency to 0. And yeah, now inside of here, let's insert a local script. Oops, let's go in that local script. Delete print hello. Do a while wait do, and we will do local player equals to game dot players dot local player. Then we'll do script dot parent dot text equals to total coins colon space concatenate player colon wait find first child. We'll do leader stats. Actually, hold on. Let's go into our leader stats script and actually just go into the leader stats script and let's do local total coins is equal to instance.new int value comma player, and we'll do total coins dot name is equal to total coins. We'll do total coins dot value is equal to 0. Alright, now let's go back into the local script and actually just delete what we just wrote up to the dots, the concatenation, and let's do player colon wait for child total coins dot value. Alright, and let's you don't have to do this. I'm just gonna do this for a quick test. Like to show you guys that this works. Well, and make sure that it works. Script parent mouse button, one click on connect function. Local player equals game dot players dot local player. Then we'll do player colon wait for child total coins dot value equals to just this line, copy, and then after that do plus. Let's just do +5. Alright, and make the frame in your player stats to visible false. Alright, and let's play. Wait for it to load us in. Yeah, and let's also just test out the bubble chat since we're here. So let's just write sub to the scripting legend on YT for more awesome tutorials. Okay, so it worked. Now let's just go into our stats, total coins 0, and as you can see, it works. I'm gaining more total coins and it's showing me that I'm gaining more total coins. Okay, so that's nice. Okay, so let's also just insert a text label into the screen GUI alone, not into the frame. Just make it into the bottom of your corner of your screen. Just set it to the size to 0.3, 0, 0.2, 0. Yeah, we should have done 0.1, 0, so let's switch it to that right now. Alright, and just scale it to how you want after you just put the zeros. The zeros, like, if you were to do like 0, if you were to do like 0, 0.2200 or 0.2, then it won't fit evenly on every device. So since we are with the zeros on every device, it will fit perfectly. Alright, so yeah. Then we'll just make the background transparency to 1. Make text scale to true. Make it to sources sans bold. Let's make the text color to yellow. And then let's do text stroke transparency to 0. And we will do coins. Alright, so this will be where we show the coins. Now rename this to show coins. Alright, and then insert a local script. We can actually just go into the local script that was in the show total coins. Just copy it, X out of it, and here, let's just X out of all these scripts that are on here. Alright, now go into the show coin script, just paste it in, and we are going to just have to make some adjustments. So we will do script.parent.text equals to coins. Then let's add a little coin emoji after this. So let's actually do it before coins. If you don't know how to put an emoji on a Windows computer, just hit the Windows button plus the period, and let's see if they have any thing for coins. No, just do cash. Just find a cash logo. Okay. Cash. What about money? Alright, hold on, this thing is broken. Alright, let's retry this. Here, we'll just use this. We'll use this. Alright, and then instead of doing player : wait for child, we will have to do player : find first. Actually, it's supposed to be wait for child, and then just delete the total part of the coins, so you'll just have coins.value. Then I'm gonna just do the same thing for this test thing that I am using. Just copy this, and we will do the coins. Alright. so players can see their coins on the bottom of the screen. Let's see, I have 0 coins. Yeah, I'm just gonna get rid of the $sign. Alright, but the point is if I click, I get more coins and as well total coins. Alright. Alright, so, now let's finish making the stats UI. So just open up your leader stat script and your player stats GUI. Just go into leader stats script and we have the streak and reputation and the status. So we're just gonna put all of this also onto GUI, so like if they're a mobile player they can still see what they have. Alright, so now let's go here into our stats frame and we will make it visible. We will take the show total coins and just move it down quite a bit. Alright, so we can actually just duplicate this and we can set the position to like -2. That didn't work. -2. Oh yeah. Just drag it to here. Make the image color to red. Yeah, we'll set it to, actually no, 255, 3, 3. Yeah, that's nice. Alright, so yeah, and let's just change the text into a say status colon. Alright, let's actually make this like all the way up here. We have to make these smaller or else we will not fit all the GUIs on our screen. Alright, so now rename the one that says status to status. Alright, and let's insert, and then inside the local script we'll do current status colon. Yeah, we have that. Alright, so player can wait for child. Actually no, this one we actually do have to do find first child. Then we have to do inside the brackets, we have to delete total coins and we'll do leader stats, and then before the value but after the brackets for the leader stats we'll do colon wait for child, then we do status. Alright, status.value. Alright, so yeah, that should be it. Just not gonna bother closing that off. Alright, so my current status is innocent, and because I have this inside my leader stats I have the status and it says innocent, but if let's say I want to change that, now I am a super villain. Current status super villain, and it changes up here too. Alright guys, so yeah, no, it's not it, but alright, let's duplicate that once again. Rename this one to show rep, and let's do from the position, just drag it down here. Let's make the image color for this one to a here, let's try 45, 30, 255. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Alright. And let's go into the local script, and we just change status to kill streak, and let's just go to this and put to kill streak. Okay. Remember guys, we'll be doing more on this in the later tutorials, but for today we're just getting the basic stuff done. If I were to my kill streak, because I just killed a whole bunch of people, like two. Alright guys, I am a super villain because I just killed 40 innocents. Alright, and now I have a whole bunch of coins. Alright, let's go. Alright, now let's go to, and let's actually go to show rep and just make this more organized and put rep. Alright. So let's go back into our leader stat script and let's see what else we have. Yeah, and I think that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. So if you enjoyed and this helped you out, remember to please just leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye.